If you are a medical student, you need to know about these basic but not well known apps that can take you one step ahead in your academics. Gone are the days wasting countless amount of pages making endless notes in medicine which can get tacky and impossible to revise from.
GoodNotes is the most reliable digital note making app I found where you could write easily, include any information anytime, insert images, and change details as and when needed.
One subject students take most lightly that can haunt them every day down the line in medical career is anatomy.
Not anymore. Get a lifetime subscription of anatomy learning and get a unique experience of learning anatomy with models for nerves, blood vessels, muscles, bones, and even lymph nodes in an interconnected manner with even quizzes to test your knowledge.
Don't have too much time to get into the details and need the topic to be revised in a concise manner.
Here is the app Ambus that pulled me through all the presentations in medical school, giving clear details about every symptom, disease, and concept with recent updates.
Let's be real. We all had that moment with patients where we are just staring at each other during history taking. Want to avoid that?
Geeky Medics is to prepare you really well for OSCE or simulated patient exams, curating very structured history taking with videos and transcript underneath, along with some clues on differential diagnosis you should keep in mind for every symptom.
If you don't want to spend so much money on Ambus, which we medical students don't have to,
Merck Manual online website might not be the most colorful or aesthetically pleasing, but it does the job to give you the most important bits of information from a topic and segregates it into various subtopics.
okay, I hope the universities don't sue me for this one.
The most amazing paraphrasing app for your research work or university paper submissions. To save myself from plagiarism, I write the lines from a reference, paraphrase it from the app, and then again rephrase it little bit to have a guilt and scandal-free paper ready.
Now, this is just to make your medical school life easier. Don't replace this in the place of standard textbook or actual hard work.